after going back and forth with my followers on my community tab, here's Ciroc apple pie. Let's get into it. All right, so these are all the ingredients that you'll need. Remember to check the description box for any information that you may miss in this video. So of course, this is a 5-ingredient apple pie recipe, so I got some help from the grocery store. To me, this tastes just like the apples that you cut up yourself. I'm also trying to, please everybody, basically, because there's some people that want easy recipes that they don't have to be doing this, that, and the third. And there's some people that want certain things that does take a lot of effort. And so I'm meeting y'all in the middle. And y'all know I am not the best baker, child. So here we are. So now we're going to take the apple flavored Ciroc apple. You're going to add it right down in here just to thin it out a bit. No matter the amount of liquid you add down in here, it's always going to thicken back up. Now this clip right here, I want to mix it up in real time so y'all can see that it thickens back up. So don't worry, you didn't mess it up. I know it looks crazy in the beginning, but you didn't mess it up. So I added cinnamon, vanilla, and the Ciroc down in here. For some people, the pre-made apple pie mix is not sweet enough. For me, I'm adding ice cream on top, so I didn't add any extra sugar. Everyone's different. If you want to add more sugar, add the sugar. Taste your mixture before you add the alcohol and you're good to go. So I'm going to pour the mixture down into the first pie. This pie thing comes with 2 in a pack. I got it from the Kroger. Now, y'all, I didn't know the 2 cans would have filled up the whole entire pie. I thought I was going to get 2 pies out of this, but it was only 1 pie, and that's fine as well. But yeah, and now I'm just going to pile it on in there, juices and all, and get it nice and ready to go. So the other pie shell, you're going to remove it from the container. It's been sitting on my counter for about 10 minutes to soften it up a bit. Y'all, at this point, I swore I messed everything up, honey. Child, I was like, oh my God, they're going to kill me because I done messed it up. But I made it work, period. I made it work. You want to crimp the sides and get everything lined up like I'm doing here. Maybe you could do it neater than I can. Y'all already know. If you've been my loyal subscribers, y'all know I don't bake, child. I do not bake. So, so now I'm going to take an egg and a drop of water, mix it up, and I'm going to brush this all over the pie. This is optional. It's because I like a nice golden pie. I feel like without the egg mixture or even some butter at least, it won't get super, super golden with this store-bought crust, in my opinion. Okay, so now I'm going to pop it in the oven, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. All right, so this is what the pie looks like once it's done in the oven. It's nice and bubbly. The filling is leaking through the sides, which is fine. That also lets me know it's done because everything is nice and up to temperature and the crust is ready. So you seen it bubble over is also an indication that it's done. This is the ice cream I'm using because it's what I had in my house, child. Use what you got in your house. If you prefer vanilla, go ahead. But honey, when I put this blueberry ice cream on that apple pie, I don't know what the situation is, but the apple Ciroc with the blueberry ice cream and the pie, it was incredible and delicious. And so, you can use that one or use vanilla, like I said. But it's easy to make, it's fail-proof, and it's delicious. And I think you should make it. That's my opinion. I think you should make it, especially if you're short on time and you're not really great with making pie crust like I'm not. And this is a great alternative and very few ingredients. So thank you guys for watching. I love y'all for y'all support, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.